There was commotion in the Goa Assembly on day one of budget session over alleged late replies received. Opposition leader Yuri Alemao raised a point of order that as agreed under Rule 42, the replies should come 48 hours before and that he had received the replies in the form of a CD just on Monday. Listen to the replies of the Goa Chief Minister and the Legislative Affairs Minister Nilesh Cabral.
As per Rule 42, आमकां 48 hours भितर विजय माशेर हांव उलयतां मुगे आनी दोन आहाय 48 hours भितर आमकां रिप्लाय दिवपा जायो. Now this reply able today and your CD चलतले me खबर ना. Legislative Affairs Minister last time in the BAC had agreed that these answers would be uploaded on the portal.
CD चलली ना आला ताका प्रिंट आउट काढून दी म्हणटा.
No, but no, Speaker sir, you postpone this. This is regarding event management. This is not as per the rule. You have to postpone it. If you all are not following rules, then why are we called here, Speaker sir?
CM एक सांगा मुख्यमंत्री जो सांगता त्या हिशोबान तुम्ही
मुख्यमंत्री सांगता
एक just 1 minute खूप मोठे क्वेश्चन हे असल्या कारणान जे आसा तुम्ही दोन पार्ट करपाक जाय. ह्या असेंब्लीक विचारले फुडच्या
स्पीकर सर आमकां तुम्ही सांगला 5 सब क्वेश्चन आमकां सांगला 5 वर्सां तेच मध्ये हांवें जाला तुमी सांगिल ते रुला प्रमाणे हांवें जाता
ही जी आसा हे अपलोड केले.
स्पीकर सर have you replied that it will be uploaded on the portal in your reply, or have you replied that the CDs will be placed in the house?
You see your answer, Speaker sir. They upload केले answer, Speaker sir. ताका extra communication Speaker sir.
बसून घ्या एक
आन्सर दिवून असल्याला पोस्टपोन करपाक जाता. आन्सर दिला आम्ही.
की नेक्स्ट टाइम जास्त काळजी घेवची याची
ना काळजी 48 hours दिवपा जाय मरे तुम्ही.
Bureau Report, Herald TV.